Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my IGTV. Today I will be doing a soft glam college makeup look. To begin with, I'm going to start with priming my face, and for that I'm using the My Glam Tinted Perfection Base Primer and Pore Minimizer. That's a really long name. So I'm going to take this much amount and just apply it where I tend to get sweaty, that is on the sides of my nose, around my chin, and on the center of my forehead. Once I see that my face is all primed and matte, I'm going to take Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This is in the shade 02 Very Vanilla. I'm going to take it on the back of my hand and start applying it on my face. Once I'm done with my foundation, I'll take the concealer. The concealer that I'm taking is by Miss Claire. I'm going to just take it on my brush and apply it on my under eyes. This is a really high coverage concealer, well within budget. And then with a damp blender, I'm just gonna blend it more nicely. I'm going to repeat the same step here. Just gonna take a little bit here again, and then again with the damp blender, I'm just going to blend everything nicely. Now I'm going to take a loose powder by Pro Artist. This is in transparent shade, and just set my under eyes so that it doesn't creases. Next up, I'll be doing eyebrows, and for that I'm using this transparent mascara by Miss Claire, and I'm going to first apply it on my eyebrows to set it nicely. I'll wait for it to just dry up, and after that I'm going to take this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil and start drawing in. And the last step to set my eyebrows is to use this pomade gel, which is nearly there. This is by Maybelline. I'm going to take it on an angular brush and just set it again so that my eyebrows look more fluffy and pleasing to look at. Just in case if you're wondering, this is my phone's charger. So I'm charging my phone while shooting this video. Yeah, I'm going to do it on my other eyebrow as well and come back. Next, I'm going to take up this I Love Makeup Chocolate Rose Gold palette, which is one of my favorite palettes, and I'm going to create a really soft glam eye makeup. But before that, I need to prime my eyes so that the color pop out nicely and they stay for long, and apply it on my eyes. And after doing that, now I'm going to take this shade called Independent and apply it all over my eyelid. With my eyelashes done, I find doing makeup so easy. Like, I don't have to apply mascara or, even falsies. So convenient and quick. I'm going to take it up till my eyebrows so that my brow bone looks neat. When your brow bone looks neat, ultimately it gives you a really nice lifted look. After that, I'm going to take this shade called Ooh Oh. That is the shade's name. And just going to apply it on my crease line and blend it nicely. I'm going to take it all the way to the inner corners of my eyes. These eyeshadows are super pigmented and I love it. After that, I'm going to take this shade, which is known as My Own, and apply it on the corners of my eyes. And again blend it. I'm using the same brush throughout, okay? I will take the same shade and apply it on the lower lash line, just on the outer corners, to give my eyes a really nice and defined look. Once I'm completed with this, I'm going to take an angular brush and take the shade, reddish shade known as Side Chick, and just draw an eyeliner here to give a definition to my eyes. I'm going to even extend it so that it seems like I have done a winged eyeliner. Next, I'm going to blend it properly. Now I'm going to take this highlighted shade known as Hold Up. I'll just damp the brush first, then take the color and apply it on the inner corners. I'm going to extend this highlighter on the inner corners of my lower lash line to give my eyes more definition, and it looks fresh and wide awake. And that's my eye makeup. Now I'm going to go with the face, and for that I will be using my all-time favorite My Glam highlighter, blush and contour palette. This is a 3-in-1 palette, really travel friendly and just helps me out whenever I'm doing a quick makeup. First, I'm going to contour my cheeks, and here we go. Very slight contour. I'm not going to go with a heavy contour because we don't want to look too caked up. And I'm going to contour my forehead as well. Next, I'm going to take the blush from the same palette. Just apply it nicely. Just in case you go a little too loud with your blush, then don't worry. Take a damp blender and just tone it down. Now I'm going to take the highlighter from the same palette and highlight the high points of my face. That is the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, chin, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone as well. For my lips, I want to go with a really nude shade, and for that I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics Voila shade. This is from the range Matte as Hell. So I'm just gonna do it like that and rub it with my fingers. I don't know if you're able to understand. I'm just gonna deposit the color on my lips and rub it with my fingers so that I get a nice soft look. And then I'm gonna top it off with the Glam 21 Velvet Matte lipstick in the shade 18. I'm just gonna apply it on the center of my lips, and that's it. And guys, this is the finished and the complete glam makeup that I created. This is a really nice soft looking makeup. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed, then please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment your views below. And if you really like rest of my videos, then don't forget to follow me. I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.